How to make $100 per day and without investment in autopilot method. So watch video completely, guys. So don't skip this video, guys. If you want watching it first time in my channel, hit the like button, smash the subscribe also, guys. Let's get start of this video. Today I will review with Fiverr affiliates super business method, guys. So watch video completely, guys. If you are making $100 per day, is very easy process, guys. So follow and watch this video on completely, guys. I will explain each and every step in this video, guys. So don't skip this video, guys. Let's get start of this video, guys. This is official website of this Fiverr affiliates, guys. I will give the link in the description below, guys. I will check it out for this official website. Now we'll see, guys. Just very easy process, guys. You can easily creating affiliate link and share in internet in online world. Definitely you will making tons of money in autopilot method, guys. Sure, guys, I will refer for you. Now we'll see, guys. Fiverr offers service is every digital category fit for any business need. So we understand every vertical and audience is different. So we offer different payouts depending on what Fiverr product or service you choose for. This Fiverr CPA product, guys, just pay only one customers you will refer for this, guys. This $15 to $150 per CPA, guys. Cost per action, guys. This dynamic CPA depending on your what service your first time buyer purchasing. And second one, guys, is Fiverr hybrid. Is $10 per CPA, guys, plus 10% of revenue share, guys. Is for 12-month period. So one of the best product, guys, best method, guys. I will teaching in this video later, guys. So don't skip this, guys. Now we'll see, guys, more product you can promote, guys. This Fiverr business is $100 to 10% of income. This for 12 month, and Fiverr affiliate 10% of income, and learn from Fiverr for 30% of income, and Unco for 50% of income. Now we'll see, guys. We offer different commission $15 to $150 depending on what category your buyer purchase from you. You will qualify for CPA commission once your buyer purchase on Fiverr for the first time. We can call it first time buyer, FTP. Okay. Once you purchase, you will refer to this link, guys. Somebody can purchase those in your link, special link. Definitely you will making just one refer for $150, guys. And you will choose money category, guys. You will choose the international product designs, data science of mobile apps and e-commerce development is $50 for the one per referral, guys. And website builder of $40, and web hosting, data processing, architect, interior designer, game development, web designing, and many more, guys. Now we'll see, guys. This logo maker, SEO, t-shirt merchandise, research summaries, business consulting. This also is for the $30 for this single referral, guys. So believe me, guys, definitely this is really worthwhile method, guys. Really trustable product also, guys. So now we'll see, guys. Interesting in becoming Fiverr affiliates. Start earning now. Now we'll see, guys. Very easy process, guys. Just you will refer this Fiverr gigs, and somebody can need it for this service on your link to sign up and get purchasing any product, any services. Definitely you will get commission, guys. I will explain, guys. Now we'll see, guys. This is a commission plan, guys. Now we'll see, guys. Just click on this join now. Once you click join now, after you will see this form, guys. Okay, just ask some normal questions, guys. This account type or private or company, whatever it is, just fill up this basic information only, the email and username and password, confirm password, and which country do you live in, and phone number. This one. The Skype is not a mandatory. Just click for the next and send your link in your email. After you confirm this email, definitely your account will be activated, guys. Once your account will be activated, after click on this login button. Now to see this, guys, click on the sign in again. Now we'll see, guys. This website will be loading on this time. After, alright, guys, I will showing this, guys. I'm already promoting some product, guys, some gigs. So we're showing for this 133 clicks of 133 links. Okay, and that's it, guys. And how can creating this link, guys? That is the important of this question. First I will choose this. First I visit this fiverr.com, guys. I will see, guys, this is a fiverr.com. After you will find any services, any gigs you can promoting, guys. It's not limited, guys. It's unlimited services. You can choose which gigs or which service do you like or favorite on your niche. So I will I will I will do the professional video editing on this one, guys. So just when I will click on this one. All right, and easy process, guys. Very simple process. Just click on the right click, and now we'll see, guys. This is the image. This is a gig services. After you will click on this, the gig details, everything will okay. This gig you will be promoting are very easy, guys. After you click on this main page of this URL, just click on this copy. After going on Fiverr. All right, now we'll see, guys. Just a minute. Now we'll see, guys. This is the dashboard of this Fiverr affiliate, guys. After you will successfully sign in, now we'll see, guys. Click on this marketing tool and click on this default and deep link. All right. After, just click on this LP URL, this box. Okay. After, put in your gig link. Just paste. Okay. Just click on this button. That's it, guys. This link will be generated in your affiliate link. So you can easily copy in any one link if you choose on your services, whatever it is. So I will choose this Fiverr CPA, guys. So click on this button. The link will be copied. After you will go to on bitly.com. Again you will click on this and short in your link. Just paste on the big link. After click on the shorten. Alright, guys. Now we'll see, guys. This link will be shorted and very short and professional looking something. Okay. Just click on this copy. That's it, guys. Once this link you can easily share anywhere in the world, in online world. Definitely you will making passive income is very soon, guys. So I will explain, guys, how can do this. Now click on this logo on this Google, guys. Now we'll see, guys. Just search for the logo gigs on Medium. After you will get the result, guys. This Medium result, because Medium website is very high traffic, is very high quality leads and leads of buyers. Most of buyers is ready-made is making chances of money, guys. So I will click on this one. Now we'll see, guys. I will design perfect modern business logo. So you can easily creating this one article, guys. Just simply paste this image and put in this in your affiliate link. That's it, guys. Very easy process, guys. Fantastic of this product, guys. Is actually this article will be making 2018 getting that. So now we'll be getting the traffic will be coming for this gig owner. So definitely this method is very profitable, very targeted method, guys. And second one, guys, I will show you, guys. This is the YouTube, guys. Just click on top 5 logo maker and Fiverr for search in YouTube. Now click on this, guys. Many more videos, guys. Just making one review video or one whatever it is. Just I will play this video, guys. I will see, guys. This video will be loading.
I paid 5 designers to design
Alright.
same.
Just a minute, guys. I will see, guys. Thanks for watching. Hoping you guys show more. And now we'll see, guys.
Logo.
Check out this artist showcase in this video.
Okay, so Fiverr have come to me and asked if I'll take part
PC will
in
be stucking on this time.
the Fiverr challenge, which is where I basically
Alright, now we'll see, guys. Many more link will provide for this, all for this affiliate link, guys. Just click on any one link, guys. I will see, guys. This link will be loading. Now we'll see, guys. This Medium cooperation. Okay. I will see, guys. This is affiliate link. So whenever somebody can watching this video, whenever need for this gigs, just click on the link and purchasing the gig, and you will making tons of money. It's very easy process, guys. Believe me, guys, definitely this method really working for you guys, because I am using for this method for personally. So making the money is very easy process, guys. And believe me, guys, definitely I will explain each and every step in this video, guys. Definitely you will making this type of gigs or this type of methods you can provide in these Fiverr services also, guys. And that's it this for your video, guys. I hope each and every step I will explain this video, guys. If you need any doubt or any clarification, just ask me in the comment section. I will help you within very soon, guys. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.